thank you so much for coming, for being here, for being with us today. As you can probably imagine and see from Steph's imagination to where we've ended up with all of this, there's been quite a lot of work. And most of it took place over the last week, the last few days, and the last few hours. And it's just all come together with everybody helping, our families helping, and you all being here today. It's just so far been so perfect. I'd like just to take a few moments to talk about Steph and just how exceptionally beautiful. Seeing you walk down there and your silhouette through those drapes, I will take that to my grave. I will see that forever. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Seeing you all here has just meant the world to me and to us, just having everybody together at Christmas time. We were friends first, and that will always be first. I promise to not let our past define us, but always remember that they have made us who we are and why we are perfect for each other. I promise to always be your patient gardener and to let you grow at your own pace with a guiding hand and support whenever you need it. I promise to always notice and be thankful for the little things that you do. Drying my shoes under the radiator when I haven't realised that they are wet from an evening walk. Cutting my hair at midnight when I haven't realised it's long overdue. And your patience when I put off that haircut because one more night won't hurt. The way you put so much magic back into every situation when it'd be so easy for my logical brain to simply want to accomplish a task and get it done. I promise to love and comfort you always and support you in whatever you want to do. I give you this ring as a promise of all that I have said and all that is still unspoken.
We were friends first, and that will always be first. I promise to never forget our past, but not let them define us or our future. I promise to always notice and be thankful for the little things that you do. Making me a cup of tea whenever I need one, even in the middle of an argument. Always letting me know you have arrived safely at work. Keeping a tissue in your pocket at all times just in case I need one. I also promise to always remember how stressful this has been and to never plan another event again. I promise to always endeavour to stop and breathe and just take in the moment when things are too much and always remind you that when we are hugging, just one more minute won't hurt. I promise to love and comfort you and always support you in whatever you want to do. I give you this ring as a promise of all that I have said and all that is still unspoken.